Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I've got something super exciting for both my iOS and Android users. I'm going to show you how to download Azar with free coins right on your mobile device. That's right. Whether you're using an iPhone or an Android phone, there's a simple and working method to get Azar fully unlocked with free coins, giving you access to all the premium features without spending a dime. If you've been wanting to meet new people, enjoy video chats, and unlock those premium perks without limits, you're in the right place. So grab your device, follow my steps carefully, and let's unlock the full Azar experience. This one's going to be a game changer. Before we jump into the install process, there are a couple of quick settings that iOS users need to take care of first. These steps help the method work properly and make sure the app runs smoothly. First, go to your settings, tap on General, and make sure background app refresh is turned on, either Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data. Then go back to Settings, tap Battery, and make sure low power mode is turned off. These two quick changes help the installation work without any interruptions. If you're on Android, you can go ahead and skip this step. You're all set. Now for the good part. Let's get Azar with free coins installed. Open up your browser, Safari for iOS or Chrome on Android, and go to the website, wowapps.org. Once the site loads, use the search bar and type Azar. When you find it, just tap on it and hit the download button. Wait a few moments for the download to complete. The speed will depend on your internet connection. Once it's finished, you'll see a message that says, Installation completed, and the Azar app will appear on your home screen with the free coins feature unlocked. If this is your first time using Wow Apps, there might be one quick extra step. You'll be redirected to a short video tutorial page that shows you exactly what to do. Usually, it asks you to install tree-free apps from the App Store or Play Store. These apps are used for a basic verification step and are totally safe and secure. Just open each app and follow the instructions. Once that's done, you'll have Azar with unlimited coins fully unlocked. And that's it. You now have Azar with free coins installed on your device and ready to enjoy all the premium features. Completely free. Whether it's premium chats, country filters, or just having more fun meeting people around the world, now it's all unlocked. If this method worked for you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more helpful content, and comment below telling me which Azar feature you're most excited to use. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.